ama-fans we-Sundowns yiwo kakhulu athi i-retirement what i-Chiefs ne but bona abakhulumi ngokuthatha ama-player ku Sundowns ku Super Sport. There was a press conference I think a sponsor a Super Sport a few weeks ago. Austin Matthews he said something ngathi bambuza ukuthi ngathi yini une soft spot for i-Sundowns ngathi i-Sundowns nje uyayibhekela kakhulu more than amanye ama team. What you know in terms of business labantu laba I take the highest bidder. Uthi uRoger Disa it's better for because we siyabona manje ama player amaningi wase South Africa sewane interest to go to North Africa ne and now uRoger uthi yena I ucabanga ukuthi it's a good thing because what's the point of going to a smaller team in Europe and then you don't play and then kushukuthi awukhuli as a player as a person you understand I'll improve because you don't play. Is the PSL better than a Moroccan league? Is the PSL better than Egyptian league? I think balenje lawo ayi2 wamanje ngiyeke lawo manje.
When you ask that question, are you saying the products on the field or the whole package of PSL?
I'm saying in terms of competition.
No, man. If
I'm saying in terms of
if our PSL was better, would be dominating the Champions League.
Thank you. Sanbonani ma South Africa mahle. Yet again, looking forward to another exciting episode namhlanje la ku Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Today's episode bafethu it's all about ama players movements and also kunama player abuye ku Chiefs, abuye ku Sundowns, waya ku Chiefs, South American players especially sizokhuluma ngayo during the show ukuthi ubuningi ababantu bathi mabafike ku Kaizer Chiefs aba deliver or aba perform to the best the way beba perform ngakhona basadlala ku Sundowns. And of course I'm happy ukuthi at least finally Amanda 17 Amanda 20 akhonile ukudlala recently. I think sithashile leyo nto on one of on the show actually in previous episodes ukuthi how can we produce quality players kuma international level while intwana development under 17 under 20 national teams they are not active full time. They only play once maybe a year. It's not good enough, but I was happy ukuthi at least intwana zidlalile and they performed well. And also later on the show coach Roger Disa said something about players moving, South African players moving to North Africa, which sizoyihlafuna nayo lo ndaba leyo sibona ukuthi is it a good thing for amachitawa la ekhaya ukuthi manje kunokuthi aye phesheya Europe in those small teams Europe and still bangadlali. Is it good ukuthi baye North Africa and badlale and gain experience and play and badlali bazokwazi ukudlala i-CAF Champions League? And this is what we're going to be talking about in this show. Ningakhohlwa bafethu to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get the latest updates as a Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. I'm your host Jabu Mahlangu and angihambing you one bafethu ngihamba nesikhokho sami esikhokhelwayo sense of knowledge. Ntwana shapuzethi
Shakunjani Javas?
Angikrend ntwana kambani?
Hayi mfana hayi. We are starved kundoda sibuya ama team amaningi PSL akakabuyi but yocala nini September so we are starved mara at least we've been active kancane sibukelile MTN 8 we saw Sundowns and Cape Town City we saw those games. And another exciting issue kakhulu emnandi it's seeing these young boys playing ku national team. I'm very excited. I saw them a little bit. I saw my highlights and I'm excited in national team and what the Safa is doing. And you remember we spoke about them. last, and we were not happy about ukuthi abadlali and all that. It seems like they are listening.
Yabasizwa.
Yeah, bayasizwa, so baya-actor. You understand? So it's good. It's good if ama-platform aso khona abantu abasimamelayo masikhuluma and they act. So we saw them playing, and it's South Africa, man, is talent, my brother.
Yo,
South Africa.
knowledge.
We've got talent, Joe.
Knowledge.
If we can nurture it, mfethu, we will reach amanyama levels.
Yeah, but for that mdlali kumele badlale at least
Consistent.
consistently.
Yeah.
I know I'm a national team, our fan vele nama team obviously because there's leagues, but abadlali at least 4 games per season. That's good enough for a national team.
Yes.
In a season. I want after 2 years, but asibancoma ukuthi naba babadlalisile abafana, and they must now start also exposing these young players to Abo Spain.
International football.
International football. Okay,
Yes.
Lesotho, with all due respect, there is international game, friendly.
Yeah.
But like I feel ukuthi, with all due respect, I feel ukuthi we are far better than Lesotho.
Yes,
Abo
but
Lesotho nabo Swaziland.
Yeah.
And I'm not disrespecting Abo Swaziland, but please don't get me wrong. You can check ama record nathi sisadlala. I don't remember Swaziland isidla ku national team ngidlala. I
Yes.
don't remember Lesotho
Yeah.
isidla ngidlala. Angikhumbuli.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's why ngithi they need manje ukuthatha lentwana ziyodlala nabo Spain. Ziyodlala nabo Lamala.
yeah, ngithi manje, remember ukuthi we haven't played for a very long time. So
Oh.
now this team, it's a new team.
Okay.
Basaqeda ukubahlanganisa.
Okay.
So you can't immediately take them bayodlala with the big guns.
Okay,
And
ngiyakuthola.
another thing, Lesotho, Swaziland, Zimbabwe, our neighboring countries, they are in the SADC region. So in terms of a budget, it works well for us. Remember, ukuthi isafa mfethu, we spoke about this as well in the ukuthi isafa inanyu. So I don't know if they fixed that, but them playing the SADC region teams, ngibona ukuthi it's number one issue ukuthi they just assemble the team.
Okay.
They need to build the confidence yamajita.
Okay. Okay.
Number one.
Okay.
Now before
Which
you
is
can
fair.
go uyodlala nabo Nigeria and your European teams, start lana, build the confidence yamajita,
Okay.
and then slowly you can
No, it makes
can
sense.
go up. You
No, it
understand?
makes sense,
Number
Mfana.
2, indaba ye budget. I don't know if they fixed the indaba yokuthi abananyu isafa. So naleyo it counts. You can't take a team uyodlalisa Spain bayo camper lena mfethu
Inyuku.
ungananyu.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I hope ukuthi they've fixed all those things, and once they've fixed that thing, izoyenza lento eshoyo ukuthi they will play more regularly now.
Oh, yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Because badlala manje, if inyuka yikho bazohlala another 6 months bangadlali. You understand? Then it takes us back again. So indaba yenyuka and the budget with isafa is very important. They need to fix that, and these boys need to play regularly, be
Hey.
exposed to
Hey.
international football. You understand? I was so happy to see a player like Umfundo scoring lapha kumajita under 20, and there's this other boy where Cape Town City who was number 10, a very good player. I think Bafethu, South Africa has talent.
Ayunzima le mfana. Ubani igama le mfana mfethu? Hey.
I forgot his name, but yeah, South Africa has got talent.
So do you think because ngibonile kuma media pages ukuthi bathi Mfundo proved abantu wrong?
Yeah.
Do you think it's good to really now sikhulume kanje ngentwana encane kanje bafethu? I mean ngibona ngathi it's media bafethu sometimes it's unnecessary for me to say a statement esiso mfethu ngalentwana.
You see when we speak about media, we are part of a media nat. So we must also fix the wrongs that are there, because some people abagu media space are not people who played football. We played football.
Yes.
We understand what is happening. You understand playing for Kaizer Chiefs at a very young age. So go media every day, people are talking about you. What does it do mentally? You understand? But at the same time, it needs people like you who are closer to Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bathatha intwana bayibeke la understand ukuthi manje I'm at Kaizer Chiefs. Everyone is going to talk about me. So mental strength yakhe is very important. Guidance from senior players is very important. Guidance from retired footballers like yourself is very important, because I look at Umfundo, I look at yourself, you almost walking in the same path. Star players. You understand? It happened. I don't want to say you were not protected, but whatever happened. But with Umfundo, we need to make sure we are protected the talent.
And
it's not only Umfundo I want.
And not Umfundo I want. I was
khona boRelebohile,
khona bomfukeng,
abomabhena,
abo police.
You understand?
Those are good quality players,
to
youngsters
them.
that will be a great future. Ekumele sibanakekele sonke.
Yes.
Not ukuthi for Chiefs or for Sundowns or for Pirates. No, for the national team. Of course, mabadlalela ama-team abo, but we must also look at the bigger picture ukuthi they are South Africans. So well done to both under 17 and under 20 ngamawini wabo, and we hope to see more of them, and echo istyle salabafana istyle sethu mfethu bebasidlala.
Yes.
Intwana ziyadribula at the right time, final product is there, creating spaces. So I was happy, mina mfethu personally.
I was very happy, and I say big up to technical director Walter Steenbok. I hope Isafa izomsupporta aqhubeke with what he's trying to do, because ispan sakhe at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Set up ilontuzana to put structures ispan sakhe. So I hope Isafa izomsupporta ukuthi akhona ukwenza ispan sakhe grand, and so khona ukuthi sibe a good Bafana team.
Nako ke iKaizer Chiefs, the new defender ukonjubani uMiguel.
Yeah, the one who comes from
Petro Luanda.
Yeah.
I think for mina ngibhekene age yakhe angimazi, you know, angeke ngikhulume too deep ngaye because angimazi, but ngiwabonile ama clip, ngizinikile isikhathi so kucheck ama clip ebawa package. He's a big guy.
Yes.
Very strong aerially, and nalaphansi is a hard tackler.
Yeah.
And into ngi pick up ile, he's 28, udlalile Portugal, udlalile Petro Luanda, which is a big team Angola.
Yeah.
So he comes with that experience
So
because you check the previous game, angifuna ukuya kwamanye ama game lawa wama preseason. Let's talk about the last game Nyanga.
Oh yeah.
Chiefs Bloemfontein. Yes, Nyanga was too strong for Chiefs on the day, but the mistakes ezenziwe abafana, uyabona ama mistakes uyintwana.
Yes.
We understand, ne? Ama mistakes uyintwana. So I think uyibonile uNabi ne technical team yakhe ukuthi hey, sizodinga experience ezokwazi ukuguide le ntwana.
Spine.
Yeah, sizodinga spine.
Yeah.
So, and he's a versatile player futhi Miguel. He can play also on the right back, but for physique yakhe mina the way ngimbona ngakhona
for center back.
Right for center back. Yeah, bazomhlukumeza labo mfukeng bazodlula la. Yeah, but what's your take into it? I think for me now, I just hope ukuthi uzoletha that experience, that solidness, nokuthi intwana zingayenza ama mistakes lawa
so
Acosta team. I think it's a good signing.
Looking at the CV yakhe,
yes,
I would say he's a good signing. But my question is, who is signing him? Is it the coach? Is it maybe a scout with Kaizer Chiefs? Who is signing the player? Who is bringing the player? Because it's important for me ukuthi kube ulethwa coach. Reason being, the coach has seen it like team yakhe. He knows ukuthi uleka kuphi, like you've been saying now ukuthi unentwana ezincane that needs a leadership.
Yes.
So if the coach brings him, it means uyayazi out there ukuthi una those leadership qualities. He can communicate. Strong to be able, if he needs to shout, he can shout. Because you don't want to bring someone who is senior but is very shy, quiet, especially now with Kaizer Chiefs. You need someone who's going to be very bold and who'll be able to speak. You understand? Especially someone who's playing at the back, someone who will organize. And the Chiefs has been lacking Lapago center back.
Yeah, that's why. That's why Ngiti. Yeah. That's why Ngiti. When I sense we are shuguti. Okay, firstly, in my view, the way ngibona ngakhona, I think is the coach
Yeah,
that
okay.
said I need that
I
player.
need that player. Yeah.
For me, I
Yes.
think is the coach, and also he's not just strong ngama jewels, ngama tackles area. He can also play the ball.
Nice. which
He's
is
not
an
a defender.
advantage,
By to win the ball, he pass the opponent.
Yeah.
Based on what I've seen, kuma clip,
Okay.
we are going to winner in whatever position. Angalikhahleli ngaphandle, he will find
Sidlala.
his teammate.
Yeah.
Yeah, he can. I see kuma video wakhe kunalasha khona nama even nama diagonal passes from which is from maqedwe defense icedwe kwini bhola sekuba counter attack. So not Jongo all J Mabizela.
Yeah.
No, I'm not saying that, but
But at
une
least he
confidence.
can, yeah.
He's a ball. He's a player. He's a defender, but umnandi.
Njengondawo Pirates.
Yeah, umuntu okhona ukuthi noma
Yeah.
under pressure, but he looks for his teammates. So I think that for me it was very important also, because you can have someone who win yonke into and then what?
Yeah.
Because mawuqeda ukuwina, obviously ama opponent azobe aphushile kune space la. Are you able to
Can you pick up that pass?
can you
yeah.
pick up that pass?
Yeah.
That will be dangerous. So I think he's got that quality. So I'm just hoping good, yeah, he's gonna bring that stability to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, I think Coach Nabi, he's building a team. He's brought in senior players manje. He's also signed Augustin Sereno from Sundowns as
Yes.
well, and knowing the quality of Sereno, I would say he's a good signing. But people are looking at his age and Uguti, the people he'll be playing around. Does he have the quality to carry a team,
To lead.
That's my worry ngo Sereno.
But
He's uyamazi ukuthi
Unokuba
unetemper.
netemper, yeah.
Yeah, you see, and having a senior player with the quality yaka Sereno, siyamazi sonke umnandi kakhulu, and if he can control his temper, I believe he can bring something great to Kaizer Chiefs, playing nabo Shabalala, nabo Zwane, those young players. You bring in Sereno Lapa into the fray to lead these boys, to show them these boys how it's done with confidence. Anga lose the temper, then you will play at Kaizer Chiefs and you will give them something for 2 seasons straight.
Yeah,
something great.
Because ukhulumenye into vele ya ngibazwile nami vele abantu people are talking ukuthi is signing it's a good signing.
Yeah.
We know Sereno, angifuni ukulibelisa isiphinda phi, we know his qualities.
Yeah.
You understand? And uyabona basayino Miguel from the back, leadership.
Yes.
Middle now you've got another senior player. I think iChiefs be ilekha leyo nto kakhulu. Le ntwana zimnandi but zincane.
Zincane,
You
yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
Zincane ziyayidinga le voice ukuthi sometimes uyintwana we phaphathe nje la
Yes,
kancane yabo.
yes.
Hey boy, asiye ntwana yami. You understand?
Yeah.
So I think it's good signing, but it's a good question ukuthi Sereno, it's a signing to say we want because of his age. He's signing ukuthi we just want a quick solving, because angeke mhlawumbe akunikeze 5 years mhlawumbe.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
not saying ukuthi
yeah.
angeke, but mawubheki age, you understand. Abantu abaningi bathi no, we signing uNabi bengamelanga amsayini. It's what I've seen kuma social media. Abantu bayakhuluma.
Yes.
Why? But it's because of the age.
Yeah.
Ukuthi kusho ukuthi abaplaneli i long term ngayo, baplanela i short term. Uyibona kanjani? Unayo, are you having the same view nabantu abasho kanjalo?
No, I can't have the same view, because it's what we are talking about now. Kaizer Chiefs has a lot of young boys, very good young boys, but they need senior players to guide them. So you are need my players. When you bring a senior player, he must be quality, and the Sereno is a quality player. So even if we are builder for that 5 years, mhlambe Sereno angeke akunike 5 years, but he will give you 2 good years whereby ushabalala umfundo uzwane bazobe seba maturile now.
Okay.
So you understand?
Yes.
So
okay.
You can't build ngentwana zonke.
Oh, shuthi i mentality yakaNabi nethical team la ilapho ukuthi
Ilapho,
yasimlethe
yes.
angeke sinike mhlambe 6 years or 5 years mari 2 years
yes njengoba sibuild
njengoba sibuilder
yes
okay
so he will give uzobanikeza something
and then what about ilento mdlala we've seen players South American players ne
yeah
babuya ku Sundowns we can go back to Abu Torrealba Castro you know ebebashisa ku Sundowns they were very good we know
yeah
and they won trophies they won things the Sundowns but most of them too labo players wabalile including manje uSerino
yeah
abantu sebathi it's a retirement center iKaizer Chiefs eyama player buya ku Sundowns which I feel is not fair to
it's
say
not,
that
it's not a fair statement,
you know it's not a fair statement I don't support that thing
yeah
you understand but wena uthini ntwana because according to amajita lawa abuye ku Sundowns azange vele I leave it to ama expectation when they got to Kaizer Chiefs most of them so uzongitshela ukuthi ku Serino leyo nto leyo kuthini kuye mawucabanga wena nje
yeah for sure even the people that signed him at Kaizer Chiefs I'm sure they are aware of that issue
yeah
and this is where the psychology part of football comes in you need someone ozokhuluma na because we don't know into eyenza ukuthi mabafika lapha banga live up to the expectations we don't know I don't know maybe it's because Kaizer Chiefs is a much bigger team than the Sundowns I don't know it's possible ukuthi maybe the pressure they can't take because people ne background yabo ukuthi babuya kuphi plays a big role you can see ama South American abantu abane temper
yeah
you understand so uzotholakala ukuthi when they get Kaizer Chiefs the supporters baguma in their faces banama opinions every day so uzotholakala ukuthi the South Americans mentally they don't have the capacity to take that pressure it's just me I don't know I'm not sure ukuthi yini bayenza ukuthi bangadlali the same way but I hope Serino will change that and Marutoriabla mfethu man scored a few goals for Kaizer Chiefs and I don't think he had a bad stint at Kaizer Chiefs
yeah I think the first season he did score a bit and then the second season that's where
izinto zakhe
ule was struggling nyana but you're right he did score few not much
yes,
you know
I think he's one of the successful ones who came from Sundowns I think
yeah I think so
yeah there was an impact when he got there he scored goals he did well according to me
and then
Kaizer Chiefs
okay so I think for each Chiefs yeah it's two good signings
and but they still yes and they got
and they need
a striker senior striker and a quality striker
lapho bayasidinga mfana manje lapho vele on a serious note
for the past I don't know 5 seasons I don't know who is signing ama strikers for Kaizer Chiefs
abakatholi that one
but they don't bring quality and they sign foreign strikers but they don't bring quality
but let's hope Unabi
in the
now
in the longest of times maybe a striker was letile and it's a local striker uDupreez who's been trying under the circumstances Kaizer Chiefs uDupreez has been trying but the foreigners that they've been bringing in come on guys
no but
so the abakai coach is lethele
okay no I'm sure but vele ba aware but udinga umuntu ozothi ma create abomduba abayenza lento zabo nabozwane babashala amaphazi udinga umuntu ozofinisha
la
so good signings and then must move on intwana very interesting news again another signing for Imamelodi Sundowns the striker from Stellenbosch Renas
Ikram
Renas I mean he did well few seasons we spoke about
sikhulumile
ngayo on the show in our previous episodes he did well for Stellies and then SuperSport brought him Epitori and then things didn't go you know it didn't go and then he went back to Stellies and he was outstanding last season for Stellies he was a key member and he even got a call up he's now a Bafana a player what's your take ngale signing mfana manje uswitcha from SuperSport to Mamelodi Sundowns?
Yeah, now he's going to play with the big boys. He's going to play with smarter players, matured players. He won't have to do much like maybe at SuperSport where there was younger players and he had to go to dig it too deep into his pocket to go to core or in. And again, lento wayikhuluma last ukuthi the environment imshayile the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, we spoke about the Hatfield ukuthi in ama light was
besibe kuyijofa fethu ya
when
phila naye
abantu
bakayithathi serious besizikhulumela nje
siyayazi Pitori bwana we've been there
bayelo labathana balapha Pitori lapha labathana bayelo mfethu yabona.
But now he's older.
Yeah.
He's smarter, and I think now that he's Bafana, he would want to stamp his authority.
Yeah.
And ahlale Bafana. So I think it's a good signing. And ucoach ukhulumile ngithi ukuthi kakhulu umfunele iAfrica.
That's when ngiya lapho.
Yeah.
Nathi ngine problem ngaleso statement mina.
Yeah.
Mina personally ngine problem ngaleso statement esikhitshe uManqoba.
Ithini?
Coach Manqoba.
Yeah.
Makazothi umfunele kakhulu iCAF Champions League.
Yeah.
Now I'm a reasons wami. What if they don't reach ama semi-finals? Phela ingayenzeka. It's not guaranteed phela ukuthi Sundowns they will always reach ama semi-finals or CAF or ama finals.
Okay.
What if they don't go far? So what's going to happen? Which means he's not going to consider him go domestic.
Uzomconsider, but you look at it, the reason why Coach Manqoba athi umfunele Africa is because he has seen ukuthi in the players that he has akana muntu onalento iGram Reina sanayo in terms of scoring.
Ngiyakuzwa ntwana, but
so
bengicabanga ukuthi
yena foreign
wathula
phela
wakhuluma intwana in public
you must remember ntwana iSundowns manje boManqoba iSundowns ifuna iCAF iChampions League. So for yena if a little player asho ukuthi umfunela le Africa le unale mandate to win iAfrica.
Mara
so for importance yakhe umfunela le yanto
ntwana ngiyakuzwa mara naku kuyenzeka ngisho is football.
Yeah.
Niyadliwa kuma group stages.
I don't happen to Sundowns nje.
Hayi yabona ke
siyabaqosha laba.
No.
Abazobe ba drop standard kakhulu mfethu baphume kuma group stages. It has
Football.
never happened
Knowledge
in the longest of times.
Remember abadlali babodwa phela ground and namanye ama teams bayabafunda phela Africa bayabazi.
Yeah.
Bayabazi babashaye kakhulu phela bayabazi. So I'm saying there's a statement maybe bekumele asigcine kuyi between themselves le. Because gimme singinike inkinga njoba ngisho ngithi mawungaphumeleli kuma group stages because it can happen.
So what are you saying iGram which is not going to play domestically or ngiyayuza point yakho but I think Sundowns have mastered a Champions League to a point where they are confident enough that they would get to the knockout stages, they would get to the semi-finals and they know ukuthi bastaka kuphi.
Mara pheka ke knowledge bheka uPitso asibuyele kancane kuPitso for a Champions League which striker Pitso preferred for ama Champions League games awasayinile Mama Niyang
yes
Jeremy Pruki from SuperSport.
Yeah,
but look at the physique. Why ngizo so Urenas is quick. He's a goal scorer.
Yeah.
But the Africa physique, you need that big striker. Also, when you are 1-0 down, for example, you're playing away from home, you must have a plan B.
Yes.
Thothi ayisebenzi ngamina ka wena. Angisho inokwenzeka. Sekumele manje ufake uchinche ube ne plan B. Approach. Whereby manje China ama cross early bafethu. We know ukuthi we've got a big boy there.
Basayina nalengamla end nayo yase South America or yakuphi.
Yeah. So why ngireza uPitso lawo ma play?
Yeah.
uPitso washo la. And no Mama Niyang before ayakulo beka ku SuperSport I was there.
Yeah.
I was there with SuperSport at that time.
Yes.
And I shared few times in room naye. Even vele before azovaya washo naye what no mina la bangifuna nyolwa nalabantu laba le Africa.
Yeah.
So I won't play much domestic. Ngathi kuye, so manje are you gonna be ready? Because when he's a hard worker, uyamazi umama niyayi, very disciplined, hard working guy, you know. Ngathi wena, how are you gonna cope with manje makudlalwa la ekhaya angeke udlale? Because of the age futhi naye already besekaya kubuma I think 30s.
Yeah.
What I mean ngiyothatha inyuku mangidlala ku Champions League ngishap vele ngifuna uku-investa ngezinto zami, then I understood ukuthi okay, it makes sense.
Yes.
But for me,
but mentally was I'm preparing.
Yes.
I'm preparing. We are signing you for this. You must be ready to play a Champions League.
Yeah, but
so you see, when they prepare you like that, even when you don't play domestically, you kind of understand.
But there's consequences. Ukuthi Ugo Bros, when you don't play, he will never call you.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
no, that's
so what are you saying about?
Yeah, no, that's a
problem. Because if domestic angeke adlale, we can week out. Angeke ambize coach, and coach uclear and aga bicycle him, and we want coaches like that very good national team. Because you can't be called one.
Mara bathi ngiphinde the question leyo ngibuze futhi ukuthi did he really he said umfuneli Africa, but he never said angeke amdlalise domestically. Importance yakhe uyabona ukuthi in Africa there's something anayo Ikram Reyners maybe that yena at Sundowns it doesn't have. Liyayibona ukuthi Ikram uzongisiza in Africa. So when he says ngimfuneli Africa, he's not saying angeke ngimdlalise domestically.
Okay.
Ngicabanga ukuthi kumele sicorrecte lapho.
Okay. Nami phela ngisho ngumuntu, I stand to be corrected vele. Yabona ngumuntu the way nami ngicabanga khona, the way ngithathe ngakhona, but that's why
because akhona ama player like you are saying you counting about Mameni Young and all. A player that I can tell you ngaye that Pitso liked so much. Mara beyangamdlalisi regularly domestically was Anthony Lafont. Very strong player mental. Beyangadlali regularly but makiyo Africa uPitso maseka afuna manje ukuthi manje yazini manje ngidonsa ibhamu zami manje uLando Lafont and Lafont will come in a shy goal.
Ngiyakhumbula.
That's how they won ilontuzane ngalawo ma player labo. So ma we coach vele uyazi ukuthi le Jane Sundowns has been knocked out maybe 3 times kuma semi-finals. So they know ukuthi bastaka kuphi. So the coach knows now ukuthi no man ngishota ngalento le. And he knows ukuthi uIkram Reyners unayo.
Okay.
Uyangithola?
So nami ngizomfisela okuhle vele yabona. So istyle se-Sundowns usho ukuthi uzosikhona.
Uzosikhona.
Because remember ubuya manje uza kwenye different la lidlutshana. Yabona labuya khona it's more direct, you know, angisho it's more
so
direct cross.
So he's a different player. That's what they need something different. That's why bamletha different.
Oh,
uzobanikeza a different dimension.
Okay, ngiyakuthola ntwana. No, ngiyabonga knowledge mfethu amasandawana angaza afuna ukungilwisa. Qala letho zakho kanti thina siya discuss.
No bonisana mfethu.
Siya discuss.
Even teaching omunye umuntu maybe naye bekayibone the way ubone ngakhona siyabonisana.
Yeah, ngisho sibona ngokufana.
Asiboni ngokufana. It's football, it's a game of opinions. That is why people need to understand. Akumelanga silwe kuma social media. If football is a game of opinion, you've got your own opinion, I've got my own opinion. At the end of the day,
and ayikho opinion wrong ne right.
Yes,
because
it's an opinion. Nami ngingakhuluma kanje lana mayifika kusasa lo muntu esikhuluma ngayo eKaizer Chiefs afika abadlise bese bathi ya ujabuthe. But it was an opinion.
It was an opinion.
Yeah.
Eish bafethu.
Yeah.
Gents, please ningakhohlwa to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification bell. And we really appreciate the support yenu bafethu every day, and keep on commenting lapha kuma comment section, and nathi we try as much as we can ukuthi si engage nani niyazi nani bafethu, we engage with you, so keep on supporting us bafethu, keep on telling us where we must improve. Tina, we are an open book.
Yeah.
We want a positive criticism.
Exactly.
We can deal with that, but not an insult. But if you criticize us positively, samba sonke bafethu. So now, Roger Disa. Roger Disa. Okay. Before sidlula, ku Sundowns sesidlula. ama-fans we-Sundowns yiwo kakhulu athi i-retirement what i-Chiefs
Yeah.
ne but bona abakhulumi ngokuthatha ama-player ku Sundowns Super Sport. There was a press conference I think a sponsor a Super Sport a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
Stan Matthews he said something what he bambuza ukuthi ngathi yini une soft spot for i-Sundowns ngathi i-Sundowns nje uyayibhekela kakhulu more than amanye ama team. What you know in terms of business labantu laba I take the highest bidder.
Yes, it makes business sense.
It makes business sense for them, which is good. The Super Sport Valley Academy is good. But now he went all the way. He even said, look at who's the player of the season. He's my player. He didn't even say he's a Sundowns player now, but he said he's my player.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to say, Guma Sandawan, they must not say Kaizer Chiefs is a retirement village for a player boy of Sundowns because now
they even say I'm a reject.
Yeah, now Sundowns, even a Super Sport. All those, look at how many players.
Yes.
And now, my any Tomanji, any Tusil, Stan Matthews, the CEO, he even went all the way. He said, Sundowns, he even, Batata Nama player wake, they took Ama player wake, Wama under 13. What's that? It's not me.
Yeah.
It's Stan Matthews. Wishilo. Uthi labantu manje sebaze balanda ne under 13 manje bathatha ama player.
Academy business.
Phela i-academy business ye Super Sport yaka. Kusho ukuthi manje wena so attack i-business yaka Stan manje direct.
Yeah. No,
what's your take ngale nto le? Because that's what Stan and makayikhuluma mdlala I watched on TV. He was not facial expression. He was not happy manje ngaloko.
Nami I wouldn't be happy in fact. Nami I'm a Nami and I know how they do their business at Super Sport.
Yes.
When you see these players being sold to Sundowns, that is how Super Sport make inyugo ngakhona because they don't have big sponsors like your big teams, Sundowns, Chiefs and Pirates. So business yabo academy they groom their players and then sell them at a later stage. So maso when uya ku academy kusho ukuthi ubulala business yabo ke. You understand? Ubulala business yabo. That is why we stand akwatile. But which is still unfair because Sundowns in a structure esihle ku development. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi why would they go for Super Sport United players a good academy?
Yeah, West Part manje. So we need to talk about this because ngiyabona abantu abakhulumanga. Ustel ukhulume live on Super Sport.
Yeah.
But no one said that is wrong.
Yeah.
To go for under 13s. Now you are destroying the team, Pela manje.
Yeah, we are destroy.
In my view, it's in my view.
No, ngiyakuzwa nami and it's fair for Stan Wutakwati or for anyone who's associated in the Super
because,
Sport.
Yeah, why banga produce ama player? Okay, ba producer, bakhona ama player ba producer, but as be honest, kuza ama foreigner kakhulu mfana. Lento ana baye izodlala mhlambe leyo season ivuthe ini. After lapho.
Yeah.
After next season basayina elinyi amanye ama South America, which is fine. I'm not against it. I'm just saying why manje they go for ama academy with Super Sport. Why they do that? For me, I think it's wrong.
For me na mangibheka lento le njengoba uyibeka Javas. It tells me there's people at Super Sport who are doing Spanish grand.
They are doing well.
Bese abanye abantu bathatha credit yalabo bantu laba. I'll tell you about one guy uSpani noKopo for a very long time. Coach Godfrey.
I know him very well. Yes.
He's produced a lot of talent. He's produced a lot of talent. And no one is talking about him. People are, hey, Sundowns have got good scouts, and yes, but they scouted Super Sport. Now Sebalanda Lintwana Leu Academy.
That's why Ustena Rezile and it didn't sit well with him. And Nami doesn't sit well with me. It's not the right thing to do.
No, it's not a
scout about good development.
Yeah, should bamele ukuthi lower scout bese balanda player scout.
Bese baletha la. Yes, yabo. Anyway, I had to see Dlulise because ngibonile no one spoke about Leon after Ust team. I checked everywhere, no one said hayibo. Kanjani manje? How possible is that ukuthi ulanda manje amanda 13 uthini manje mawenza kanjani? Uthini manje mawenza. And ukhulume I think guys I stand to be corrected. Uze washo ne number. I think 9 or in.
Imagine.
uyangilimaza
Yeah.
uyangi-attack phela manje.
And then Nabi Sundowns, I've watched their academy a lot of times. They have a good academy. They have good players go academy. Yeah. Maybe they don't have confidence. Yokuba promoter with bodlala go first team. Hence, bathenga kakhulu. They buy ready-made players. But if they can have a policy whereby they can promote ama players wabo, yes, you buy because you're a big team.
Yes,
but
yes,
also
of
promote and play your own academy players.
Yeah.
They Sundowns has promoted a lot of players, but they don't play them. SuperSport promote young players and they play
them. And then when
we are humble, we are when these players mabadlala kuma academy, they compete. They compete lama player lawo. Sundowns, SuperSport, they compete at academy level, these players. Laba bayaba promoter at SuperSport bafike badlale, when we have a promoter abanye awubadlalisi. Maqedwe ufuna ukuthenga laba bangapha. Upgrade.
Okay, hayi imali.
Yeah.
Inyuku. Yeah, inyuku, but I had ukuthi ngiyikhulume le nto because yeah, ustand the way ayikhulume ngakhona kahle kahle bekathi it's unfair.
Unfair practice.
Unfair practice.
Yeah.
Now we move on. Roger Disa na ngibonile ku article lana kick-off nayo uyaphawula i-opinion yakhe naye, so ufuna just nathi sihlafune ukuthi uyibona kanjani, because uthi uRoger Disa it's better for because we siyabona manje ama player amaningi wase South Africa sewane interest to go to North Africa ne, and now uRoger uthi yena I ucabanga ukuthi it's a good thing. Because what's the point of going to a smaller team in Europe and then you don't play?
Yeah.
And then kushukuthi awukhuli as a player, as a person, you understand? I'll improve because you don't play. Uthi, what's the use ukuthi uye lapho? Uthi, it's better to go to North Africa.
Yeah.
Big teams, Wydad, your Al Ahly, your Esperance, and play and compete in Champions League and improve your game. When we bona kanjani ntwana lapho, because mina personally before ngena mdlalo, number one, I have a question. Is the PSL better than a Moroccan league? Is the PSL better than Egyptian league? I think balenje lawo ayi2 wamanje ngiyeke lawo manje.
When you ask that question, are you saying the products on the field or is it the whole package of PSL?
I'm saying in terms of competition.
No, man. If
saying in terms of
if our PSL was better, would be dominating the Champions League.
Thank you.
So we are not dominating. So it means they have a better league, a better product on the field, better players. That's what it says. Because if we were better, maybe see dominator.
Exactly.
So we are dominated by the North African teams.
Yeah. So I'm saying, for me personally, I agree.
No, Roger.
Ne opinion yaka Roger. Nam I feel the same manje. The way na ibeke ngakhona Roger masingiyibheka nami ukuthi hey man, anyway vele as dominate Africa, so we can't say we are the best league ngama infrastructure ngenyuku and how the league is run. That one vele high. We are number 1 in Africa if I'm not mistaken. You understand? But in terms of the product, I'm glad. Basha Moroccan league it's better than PSL for me. Egyptian league is better than PSL for me. Then coming back to le yamachita uRoger the way ayibeka ngakhona uyibona kanjani, because mina I agree ukuthi ngcono uye lapha uyodlala, and also you most of the time there you get paid ngama US dollars. It's they pay more than they pay more than like South Africa,
and they even pay better than those small teams in Europe,
and they even pay better than those small teams in Europe. But what's your take?
No, it's a good statement from Roger. I agree with him. and but it's also I'm looking at Ungezan.
Yeah,
I'm looking at Ungezan. He went to a smaller team, but manje khona amanye ama-team amfunayo or amfunile who are playing in the Champions League, European Champions League.
yes.
After he had a good season with that smaller team in Europe.
Yeah, it was Romania, ne?
Yeah, in Romania.
Yes.
So ikanje mfethu, when you go to a team or especially if it's a smaller team, when you go there, make sure ukuthi uyadlala.
Yeah.
You understand? Make sure ukuthi maybe usignwa coach. It's better to be signed by a coach ezofuna ukudlalisa. You understand? Or whoever is bringing you, maybe I'm a scout lawo, they are sure ukuthi uzodlala la in this team.
Yes.
Yabo, rather than ukuthi uye lapha basafuna ukugrooma in, then you lose your space. A case in point, Cassius Mailula. He went to what's that team? Toronto. And he was hot property as a South Africa. Hugo Bruce wambiza kubafana bafana, had that cap nyana wadlala and sonke besibheka uCassius Mailula. What happened? Why signed at Toronto? He did not play
because there actually there ubeka computer na two strikers, experienced strikers. I think one they said he played Spain La Liga, one in other Italy.
Yeah.
So very big yeah.
So it was difficult for Mfana, so he had to sit down because
alinde balimale boy too.
Yes.
So it was difficult.
So lento leyo ikayithunjwa ngoba ngisho ngithi uright uRoger, I agree with him nami, but at the same time we also want to export players to Europe as South Africa.
Yeah.
Siyafuna nathi kuba namajita adlala ku EPL. When last did we have players competing and playing with EPL?
Yeah, uPace. The last
our
last player was uPace.
Naye nje
uyakhumbula
kwenzakala.
Brighton. Yeah.
So I don't know mfethu ukuthi sisazo produce ama players that will play top leagues, Italy, EPL, Spain, France. I don't know if we will ever do that, but maybe when they play in North, these teams will see them like North and also take them to Europe.
Kahle mina ngifuna ukusho kanjalo uThiyama.
Yeah.
Ngiya lapho ukuthi mawuse North vele ula
so useduze ama scouts
agcwele uphambi kweSpain uphambi kweLondon ula.
Yeah.
So why sithi sinalento ukuthi yazi inkinga yethu yini thina botaki sinayo leyo nto leyo. I think isizalwe nayo system. How can ukuthi singagxeka our own African leagues?
Yeah.
It's a problem for me that day. Why ungabe happy man uplay inswembu mali ya Egypt or Morocco? Because now mina I feel le upitso uyicalile lento ngapha eSouth Africa.
Yeah.
Ukuthi manje that's why I'm a player manje now Cassius naye seka joina uRulani.
Yeah.
Lo mfana lona lo bekafuna iChiefs konje ubani naye osayine in North Africa lo bekakusikhukhuna I think ubani yakhomoda iChiefs bethu.
Oh yeah. Those along yeah.
Osayinile manje naye eNorth. I mean I think and badlalela ama big teams.
Umayo signed.
Umayo signile manje and they play for big teams. They're going to play Champions League and from there what they do well there and mabasuka lapho bathenga futhi manje ilento yabo
ivalue yeah.
Iyoba iphakeme unlike mababathatha la South Africa because let's be honest athina bayasidelela Europe athina banokuthatha banokufuna i-top player ngemali nje
ubonayo ukuthi
na ubona ukuthi yazi opposite button la but lo muntu i-top player yase South Africa is the best striker.
That's another problem.
It's a problem. So but that's why now this market njengoba uPitso wayicalile now manje nama players sewaya njengoba athathe no pace one now I think mele bayibone the bigger picture to go to North ukuthi so seduze and masoso usuka la i-market value yakho is going to be double than mawusuka la straight and we are not saying ungasuki la straight siyafuna futhi amajita vethu wethu antswemu njengoba ushilo ela vela sukela ayodlala iSpain straight.
Yeah.
Now so anyway I think it's very interesting times manje.
Yeah, singayenza mistake sinale player lidlalile manje last season ku EPL. Lentwana le ubani konje lebedlala ku Pirates.
Konje ubani
abana mental issues. Lyle Forster.
Yeah. Yes, and the shame unfortunately sen
issues.
No, besides personal issues,
Yeah.
a team yakhe man bayishaya kakhulu. Umfana phela ungenile wa assister. I think first 4 games he scored. He had 6 assists. He was
And the coach bemthanda.
imncanya Brian manje lezi zakhe hayi ayizivulele lapha imove ayibezinkwatisa saba phela bese ngibukela leya team ibhendini because of there's a South African ntwana mina nginjalo ntwana any player udlalela any team eEurope jo noma ngaba i-team velele unambalase
uyayibukela ngoba
kunomfowethu la ejonya ibukela mfethu and ngiba nothando noma idliwa kuba nenhliziyo nyana ebabhlungu i-team engayi favor at all because of
but in general ama South Africans are like that even with Upesi when he was at Brighton even when he was in Belgium bangena kuma social media wale team lebe yayidlalela eBelgium bakhosi havoc laphi so ama South Africans they are like that they will support their own mabadlala ngaphandle so big ups to that let's see players moving the market is bigger now I always say this so players must not be scared to move they must not be scared to
because
move
you won't grow if you are scared to move uzokhula
kanjani
you understand and uzofika kanjani kuma top leagues whereby bazokubhadala according to your worth
yeah you see abo Percy Town that is earning big monies in at
big money
big money
now Bobo Mayo is going to earn maybe triple than
yes
what
I
he
was listening to Ujo committees the other day and he was saying Umayo got one of the best deals for himself as a player and then Nabo as a team they got the best deal so it was beneficial for both parties for Umayo and for the team and actually offer babanike yona none of the teams la South Africa beyimeasure so now he went for the highest bidder it's football that's what SuperSport is doing uSten akayenzele Sundowns a favor he goes for the highest bid
yeah
no committees it's business for them at the end of the day
hey man and then mfethu indaba ka Vusimuzi former Richards Bay coach
awuthi sikhulumele kangaka la mfethu
awuboni ngithi nje
sesikhulumele kangaka ayizibona mara mfethu
imdladla that's why ngimpraise inhliziyo yami iseri
nami bani ngikhawathile
yazi like inhliziyo yami iseri mfethu
and mara mangizi statement sakavusi it's not the chairman umvayisi uvayisi le out efaka inyuko
no uvayisi we-sponsor
mara kanjani mfethu
nami that's
so the sponsor wanted their own person
yes
so bebafuna uLontuzane who's the coach konje
babuyise babuyise uBrandon
so the sponsor wanted to truth
that's what they
so
and that's what they did
sponsor sazinto ngedisk ke ngitshele nje
ntwana that's why ngikhuluma ngayo ne firstly I think okay it's football we know there's into zenzeka namhlanje basimayela nawe kusasa abasakufuna that's the nature of the business unfortunately but true. I felt ukuthi I said it was very sad
it was sad nami nje ngidisturb
and ubalusile mfethu phela ungene the last 10 games yangizwa ntwana kunzima but and kwaliwa playoffs kwaliwa icoach yabamnandi bamnikeza icontract 3-year contract shayile ispan mfethu status sevile siyafika isponsor so vele ngokwazi kwakho mdladla angazi la ngicela ungincede if you know vele isponsors yayenza lento eyenzeke lapha ku Richards Bay to say sifaka imali usenza akahambi sifuna usifaka uJabu
emfana ngiyacala mina I think ngingayizwa man somewhere in Europe happening where sponsors sifuna a certain kind of player mara it's a very rare thing mfana yazi irare ngiyaqala ukuyibona eSouth Africa enhle ngiyaqala and ngiyazibuza ukuthi the sponsor njengoba sifuna lo yamuntu loya how much do those people know about football I can understand when we play mhlawumbe for in terms of marketing purposes ukuthi sifuna lela player lela you understand that because this is what it brings uJabu Pule une following
marketing
like for instance uTiko Modise when they signed him at Cape Town City uLontu obviously on the field he brought something but also Tiko Modise is a brand, is a big brand, and the Cape Town City at the time, they were still building their brand, their support base and all that. So bringing Utiko attractor a support base.
Yeah, it's like
even yourself with Super Sport when they made you a brand ambassador.
Exactly.
That's what they were doing. You understand? So I can understand sponsor masenza kanja. But for a coach,
so
I understand.
2 weeks ago, Usaina 3 years. After 2 weeks, out.
I don't understand. I understand.
But you know, yeah, nami ingisha ethenini mfethu. Yazi ngicabange wena le ngathi sani awuthishani isipane kahle kanje sisho ukuthi naye manje not ukuthi izinto beziyobalula but naye manje bekathi who are refresh for the new season.
We were looking forward to see him. Maro signed with some other team again.
Amazulu.
Amazulu, yeah.
TTC head coach.
Yeah, TTC.
It's okay, but yeah, it's okay, but yeah, but you know that's football for you, mfethu.
Yeah, mara semkhuthaza umjita angawu umoya mfethu, angawu umoya qhubeke. He's a good coach, I think.
Yeah, I mean naku uba save phela mdlala kumele sikujudge ngomsebenzi wakho
wesubonile.
Mina ngibonile ngibone ukuthi I deserve a chance.
Yes.
Yokuthi aqale manje ne team njengaye abanye ama coach abe ne preseason yakhe naye abe nama player wakhe azowahambisa nama player wakhe azowaletha and all those things man ezenzakalayo mawi coach efike I team isenkingeni engale yandlela bese uyayisave istatus sayo, you understand? So but yeah, I sponsor mfethu si decide kanjalo. But anyway, it's good ukuthi seba ne sponsor and I think angeke basayo ukudlala eDurban. I think sebazodlala lapha. Seba yeah, angisho remember there's that money also angisho ama 2020 it's 100 2020 that 40 bashilo it's for development and infrastructure. And then so izobanceda kakhulu. Another issue wena mdlala ebengekho futhi na ku program engicabangayo manje I feel ukuthi singakhuluma ngayo Maritzburg United uyazi kwenzakalanda iMaritzburg phela seyimuvela eDurban and they say ngathi indaba yokuchintsha igama to Durban something say approve you. What's your take ntwana ngale ndaba le yayo ile cabanga I team ene fan base engaka phela bobona every Friday lapha yana uthiyama
stadium singaka
simnandi compact full house every Friday and that team has been there for at least 27 years. Again another manje bawushintsha negama because of politics. Phela le nto ye Royal AM nalento yiyo ekhose yonke lento azange manje umasipala saba loyal to le 27 years yonke le team konje iMaritzburg United.
So they took money, they sponsored Royal AM. Royal AM is the same team eThekwini Celtics.
Yeah.
Royal AM yamosha.
And isuka eThekwini iyodlala eMaritzburg.
Yeah.
We understand isuke eThekwini iyodlala eMaritzburg.
Yeah.
Umbasipala waseMaritzburg uthi ayizani nabasithukwini nina bala ekhaya hayi noma seniyodlala ku Mutsipe Foundation but they should have kept them. Yile nto bekayisho uchairman we Maritzburg uthi this is our home, this is all we know. We know Richards Bay, that's all we know. Yes, we understand ukuthi in terms of status angeke asafani asekho ku Premier League. Yes, vele inyuku ne sponsorship sizoyehla lezo zinto nani because of lezo zinto but I feel ukuthi bayenza into embi mfethu.
Yeah, man mawucabanga le iMaritzburg nje going uyodlala lapha bo feel atmosphere mfethu.
Futhi bengithi mina
bo feel mfethu isa stadium singaka family environment yonke into mfethu bo feel
dladla bengithi noma ngisase ku Super Sport as an analyst masuyenza game live on the stadium la on the venue.
Yeah,
yo ntwana ngale Friday night ntwana
Friday night
yo boy packed but nako ke another team in a rich history. Yeah,
asi respect history South Africa.
Asi respect
we don't care jo siyathengisa masifuna ukuthengisa namhlanje cabanga usithengisa iBidvest Vets with history 99 years. eBidvest uyawazi ama-Friday waseBidvest lapha e-stadium eVets University, students yonke lento bekumnandi nakhona. It's gone because of abantu bamathenda nabo bayamosha lapho lweni mfethu.
Bafuna ukuclean imali.
Bayamosha.
Mabaqeda bangabhadala ama-player after 6 months or 1 season sekunenkingi. Ababhadala ama-player on time nani because basalinda i-payment kumasipala.
So that is why into yeah injalo mfana.
Already payment kumasipala. Abachita bayajuluka.
Invoice.
Abachita ba invoice.
Ndaba ama invoice ayikena jwaye melime jwaye. Kumele baba yenze nje babavethe nje kahle labantu laba jwaye. Abantu kumele babavethe. Buy team ngoba nje uthola ithenda mfethu so sekumele siye lapha sithenga i-team. The next thing mfethu ama player wabhadalwanga. So why mfethu yizo lezo.
So when we expecting mfana sesizoyivala we expecting nje
no
then your season yazi ukuthi uqala next month vele kusaseyila ama movement nyana okay seyiqalile ngasho ukuthi seyiqalile ibhola because of MTN8 seyidlalile but sengikhuluma nge-league and what do you expect
I mean excitement yami is to see Orlando Pirates Sundowns. Ngifuna ukubona kwenzakalani PSL
okay
ngifuna ukubona iBetway ukuthi ithatha ubani because ngibukela iSundowns MTN8 I was not so impressed with the way badlale ngakhona but I understand again ukuthi it's a first game basa pick up fitness and all that yes. But it's an interesting thing ngifuna ukubona kwenzakalani kuSundowns.
Yeah,
ngifuna ukubona.
Yeah, and do you think it's the right time manje ukuthi abo Pirates nabo Stellenbosch bayipusheke manje Sundowns manje?
Now is the right perfect opportunity.
Yeah, do you think so Ntwana?
Manje abaye manje.
Because ngizwile vela amanye even other fans nje yabona abe Chiefs abanye amaZulu nje different teams bathi chance yethu manje ukuthi laba basasenje. Do you think ba weak when?
No, they still have the same team. They can't be weak. They still have the same team, the same coaches. They're still the very same Sundowns. But we have now kunama issues at Sundowns up behind the scenes. That siyawabona kancane mara we are not sure. But azovele grounding. Issue yaka Timbers one. You can see there's an issue Ntwana. You can't give Timbers one season. One. That man
bese uthi mele abe on toes. Lesa statement nami lesa statement asingiphathanga kahle. Ukhuluma ngegeneral. Uthi generally nginika 1 year so that ahlale on usho kanjani umuntu the most consistent player for the last 6 or 7 seasons engimaziyo mina. South African football.
Yeah. Most consistent player uyamazi is not like a player livela from another team.
So age
sekamdala.
So age kahle manje mdlali age.
Age mfethu. But even though we age mfethu, you see a player like Uthembazwane who has been loyal to Sundowns and who has worked so hard for his Sundowns, who has brought so many trophies for his Sundowns. Awumtreat kanje.
And sorry vele anyway kumavuyo so we were supposed besithi sokhuluma ngayo sisakhuluma ngeSundowns. I'm just making sure ukuthi abantu bangathi siphambanisa izinto actually singabantu nathi siyakhohlwa like njenga anyone you understand we are human beings that asiyama robot we were supposed to talk about it vele but asifuni ukungena kakhulu so age ufela age man
ufela age and the statements aka coach Mancoba I respect coach Mancoba and then ayushilo ukuthi ama opinions umuntu nomuntu une opinion as always say namanje shilo ukuthi football is a game of opinions but iSundowns the way they dealt with Uthemba for mina mfana it's wrong. One ukunela izinto lo muntu lo he's been loyal and uyamazi ukuthi umuntu onjani makakwatile makajabulile you know him personally. So Uthembazwane I don't think he's a player that can give you half. It's either he plays or he won't play for you. If he's unfit he won't play but he's not a player ozoye grounding to just nje. I don't think he's not that kind of a player. He wants to be the best. He wants to be the best.
Trains hard.
And he trains hard. He does everything hard. So how do you say you want to keep him on toes? It's not like a player that comes from Pirates, for instance, a Lodge who's 32 years uvela ku Pirates. You can say that angimupha 1 year sifuna ukubona ukuthi because awumazi. But Themba's one uyamazi ukuthi this one when he's fit he would play.
Hayi ntwana asivale mfana asivale mfethu where it's going to be very interesting nokuthi usazodlala how many games because hey ngine feeling nje ukuthi angeke asadlala
lento ntwana nawe
ama-game abhayi
mfethu
yabo but it's okay let's wait and see ukuthi bayomtreata kanjani uThemba moving forward kule season.
Yeah, let's see my brother.
Yeah, bafethu hayi siyabonga manje sihlafunile le ndaba zanamhlanje la kuJabu Mahlangweni discussion this sayiphusha bafethu icampaign please like subscribe share and hit that notification bell so that you can get the latest updates as a Jabu Mahlangweni discussion this shuffling disc ringers. I think it's our 15th episode ne.
Yeah,
this is our last episode season 1 bafethu. This is our last episode season 1 bafethu.
Yo, share 15.
This is our last season bafethu. Episode 1 bafethu.
Yes man, yes.
So siyongena ku season 2 madoda. Siyaqhubeka. Siya appreciate support yenu abasupportayo bafethu. Keep on supporting us. We appreciate you. Bafethu. That was all for today's show bafethu. The next episode bafethu enoyibona sizobe singena ku season 2 siqhubeka ku episode 16 siyaphezulu
and sivula ngenye guest ke manje it's a surprise nizoyibona it's a big guest hayi
season 2
I'm looking forward
so, yeah
episode 1 season 2
yeah
bazoyibona guest.
Okay bafethu it is singayimoshi that was Jabu Mahlangu ku Jabu Mahlangweni discussion this ngamba with my co-host Sibusiso Mahlangu owaziwa bamoratang le bamothetsang ba metsa sense of knowledge bafethu siyanthanda sizonibona kule second season bafethu. Thank you for your support. Adios.
It's a rap
It's a rap.
Siyayivala.
It's a rap.